What's going on, everybody? David Lyell. I am normally your host on PopWood Playback, but we have a guest host this week, and I just wanted to introduce him to you really quick before we jump into the video that he submitted to us. His name is Jason, and I don't know how to say his last name, but his channel is called Doing It with Jason, and he's going to talk about that at the end of his video. But he contacted me through email and said, hey, I'd like to host. So if you're interested in hosting PopWood Playback, I will gladly take a break. So send me an email down in the description and enjoy Jason's video.
That is pretty neato. So what is up, everybody? My name is Jason with Doing It with Jason, and welcome back to another episode of Pop Woodworking. Is that the name of it? But thank you very much, David, for having me guest host this. So my name is Jason with Doing It with Jason. It's just like doing it with Jason. You know, we do stuff together. We build stuff. I show you how to do some woodworking. Anyhow, going by the previous episodes of this, I'm guessing I'm going to show you guys 3 really cool woodworking channels. And while I'm showing you those awesome videos and those people that I aspire to be like, I'm going to give you tips here and there of how to stain.
Old t-shirts make great rags.
Okay, so my all-time favorite, not really even a YouTuber. This guy's been around way before there was ever YouTube. He got me actually started in woodworking. Little does he know. Or actually, he probably does know because I've emailed him about 10 times thanking him. Yeah, I got a response, and that's all that matters. So it's David J. Marks. This guy is the real deal. I first saw him on DIY. I think it was a DIY channel, and it was mind-blowing. The fact that I was just getting into woodworking at the time. This is like 14 years ago, roughly. And the type of wood that this guy was bringing out was amazing. Wow. David Marks has been such an inspiration to me from the very beginning all the way till now. He was making plenty of really cool furniture using all kinds of exotic woods. If it wasn't for exotic woods, I might have totally gave up on cabinet making. David Marks is an inspiration. I believe he goes around the country teaching in certain places, and you could actually learn a lot from him in person, which is really cool. He does a lot of wood turning and bowl making now. This guy has made furniture, he's done everything, but I think now that's his passion, along with gilding and patina, all that stuff. When he can make some wood look patinized, whatever the word you're gonna choose, and gilded, and OMG, I don't even use that word, but seriously, his link is in the description down below.
Yonder! After you apply stain, be sure to always wipe it off. It'll just stay sticky.
All right, so number 2 on the list is probably one of my favorite as well, and definitely one of the coolest woodworkers I don't know, but I wish I did know him. The Maker Monster. A friend of mine sent me a link to this video a few months ago, and I was just like, what? This dude is awesome. From making a triangular shelf using woodworking and magic, and even a creepy human skull clock. This guy is totally rad. I know at first glance it's not exactly what you would think a good woodworker would look like, but that part doesn't matter. Looks aside, this guy's got it all. I nearly peed myself when I saw this for the first time. It's kind of like one of those channels that I wish I would have started, but didn't. But maybe there's not enough people that have seen him yet and I could throw on a mask. But no, either way, this guy rocks. Link is in the description below. And finally, my 3rd favorite woodworking channel. It's Doing It with Jason. Okay, so Doing It with Jason is all about good old-fashioned family fun. Been woodworking for like 12 years. Got 4 kids and an amazing wife. This channel is still going through a little bit of reconstruction, but for the most part, Doing It with Jason is going to be all about woodworking, teaching you how to woodwork, cabinet making, furniture making, from the start to the finish, to how to run your own cabinet shop, and everything in between. So be sure, give me a little follow down there if you dig it, and as always, like this video if you do, and subscribe to Popular Woodworking. Why wouldn't you?